Want to log out of your Gmail account on your iPhone? In this quick guide, I'll show you the correct way to do it. So, let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Gmail app. Once the app opens, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Here, you'll see all the Gmail accounts you're logged into. To log out of any account, look at the bottom of the screen and tap Manage Accounts on this device. Next, select Remove from this device under the Gmail account you want to log out of. Confirm the action when prompted. That's it. Your Gmail account is now logged out from this iPhone. Keep in mind, this only removes the account from your device. It does not delete your Gmail account. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.